Grabe, very short but sweet but exciting kasi nakita naman natin yung star-studded cast na meron tayo, di ba? Next, we have Direct Tara Helen Berger for Team Kiliwi.
Film, which I'm happy to say I'm doing with Cine Panalo. The title is Team Kiliwi.
Collaborate kami ni Direct Tara in this series, Cine Panalo. Siya yung aking editor for the film Salud. And then ako naman yung director of photography sa film niya.
Hi, I'm Gabby Padilla and I play the role of Marlin in the film Team Kiliwi.
Ako po si Lupi Ruiz para sa pelikula Team Kiliwi.
Hi, my name is Sunshine Chodoro and I am playing the role of Children.
Basically, why I really wanted to do this role was, well, one, it's a very beautiful story about perseverance and coming of age and family and found family.
Tinanong ko po ang role ni Nay Pansay dahil kakaiba po ito sa mga nagawa ko ng iba pang mga character roles. First, Ilonggo project ko to. Magsasalita po ko yung Ilonggo. So, very challenging po para sa akin.
I like how empowering it is for women.
There's so many things about this film that I love, but most of all, I think the script has so much heart, and I'm sure when everyone sees this, they will feel it.
Kita-kita po tayo sa Cine Panalo. Ano-ano po ang Team Kiliwi.
Next, we have Direct TM Malones for Salud.
I'm TM Malones from Iloilo City, the writer, director, and cinematographer of the film Salud. One of the finalists of Cine Panalo Film Festival 2025. So Salud, tukol pala ito sa story ng mga taga Gigantes Island of Carles, Iloilo. Story of a father and daughter na divers na there is everything para mamuhay. Kahit na sila na lang mag-ama ay they're trying their best to survive. Na-inspire siguro ako gawin ng story nito dahil sa mahilig kasi ako sa seafood, sa mga shellfish, mga oysters. Then nakagat ako ng isang maliit na pearl. So naisip ko parang what if sila yung mga nagda-dive noon, sila yung nagre-risk ng lahat. What if sila nakakuha ng mga pearl na mahal and then hindi naman nila alam yung value, and then what if mabalitaan nila na mahal pala yun, bigla lang silang maghanap at isi-risk ang lahat. In the end, parang baka nag-risk pa na ng buhay nila. So, siguro pinakamasaya siguro dahil yung support ng LGU, ng Carles Iloilo, Gigantes Iloilo, full support sa amin. Mga bantay dagat, Coast Guard, may mga underwater team kami. Happy ako na super safe lahat. Walang masamang nangyari. Kahit mulan man, minsan sobrang init, tapos biglang uulan. Na-survive namin yung 9 shooting days namin. Na-enjoy namin yung food sa Gigantes, seafood, scallops. Siguro parang 1 month muna kami hindi kakain ng scallops. I hope that you will inspire everyone na sana bigyan natin ng value kahit maliit na bagay o malaking bagay na nasa atin. Yung bigyan natin importance yung family natin and dyan palagi sa atin to support. The advocacy of our film, Salud, is about how to protect our environment and also how to conserve and preserve yung livelihood natin, especially on pag-harvest ng mga maliliit pa na scallops, regarding sizing, and also yung risk ng mga compressor divers. So I hope the film will promote sustainability sa livelihood ng ating mga farmers and fishermen and sa lahat na naghihirap to provide to our family. Thank you Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival for the opportunity for us to share mga kwentong panalo sa buhay.
Nadali tayo ng pelikulang to sa ibang mundo. Kakaiba talaga. Although Direct TM couldn't be here with us today, may we please call on stage one of the lead actors of the film, Mr. Allen Dizon, to speak on his behalf.
Hello, good afternoon po sa lahat. No? Thank you, Sino Panalo, for the opportunity to showcase our film and this titled Salum. It's a father-daughter story na free diver sa pagkuha ng scallops. And of course, Direct TM, siya yung taga-Gigantes. And sobrang sarap ng shooting namin kasi dahil first time ko maging free diver and first time ko pupunta sa Iloilo para mag-shooting sa Gigantes Island. So, mahirap siyang gawin physically, emotionally dahil it's a father and daughter film and how to survive. Gagawin mo lahat para mabigay mo yung best mo sa anak mo and until such time na parang nangarap si Casco, yung anak ko si Arya. Nangarap siya na makakuha siya ng pearl at until napabayaan yung anak niya. Ginawa niya lahat para mabigay niya yung buhay na para sa anak niya. Alam mo yung anak niya, konti lang hinihingi niya, cellphone lang. Hindi pa niya maibigay sa anak niya. Ganun kahirap ang buhay. So, we are so blessed na tayo, nagsisurvive tayo, and yung mga island na ganito na kailangan natin i-preserve. So, kailangan natin na pangalagaan. Yun nga, sabi ng Direct TM, no, kailangan natin na i-preserve yung mga island na ganito. And yun, parang sundan natin yung journey ni Casco ni Arya. Si Arya, si Christine Tumaisip, isa local actors taga Iloilo. So karamihan ng mga kasama ko sa film, sa local actors, staff and crew. And si Direct TM, si yung DOP, si yung scriptwriter, si yung director. And yun, sana supportan natin Sino Panalo and thank you so much sa lahat ng umuubo ng Sino Panalo. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Allen. At this point, we'd just like to call on Direk Chris Cahilig and Miss Ivy Pilat. Sir Allen, yung nalaman. For just a quick photo op with Direk Chris and Miss Ivy. Thank you. Umpisa pa lang to pero sobrang exciting na ng lineup so far, right? Now it's time for us to meet the directors along with their cast and crew that will complete our list for the 8 full-length films for the 2025 Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival. Please welcome to the stage Mes de Guzman for Sepak Takraw, joined by producer Rhea de Guzman and the stars of the film, Enzo Osorio, Nicolo Castillo, and AC Aguilar. Direk Mes, I know you have the floor right now. Please share with us, what can we expect from Sepak Takraw?
Good afternoon sa lahat. Ako po si Mes de Guzman, ang writer, director, editor ng pelikula Sepak Takraw. Wala pang poster na ako rin ang gumawa. Yan. So, isang linggo ko pong ginawa yan. So, wala na kami pambayad sa gagawa ng poster. Kasama ko po dito yung dalawang artista ko, si Enzo Osorio, kapapanalo lang po niya sa Cinemalaya Best Actor. Sa pelikula
The Hearing.
The Hearing. At si Nicolo Castillo, na napulot ko lang sa Nueva Vizcaya. Hindi po yun. Kasama ko rin po ang butihin kong producer, si Rhea Operanya. Inasawa ko na rin po para libre na rin ako. Produce ko lang ito. Ang Sepak Takraw po ay isang dream project ko sa totoo lang. Pang 14 na pelikula ko na po ito, na full length. Tapos tinatawag po nila ang regional filmmakers na ewan ko kung bakit. Kasi naka-base po ako sa Nueva Vizcaya. Halos lahat po ng pelikula ko o kwento ay nanggagaling sa Nueva Vizcaya. So ito po, ang Sepak Takraw ay tungkol sa dalawang bata na sobra yung obsession nila sa laro na Sepak Takraw. na dahil nga nagkaroon kami ng mga problema sa shoot. Kasi nung nag-shoot kami, ito yung bagyo ng Pepito. So nag-shoot kami, nagbabagsakan yung mga puno talaga. So, yun na, naging part na nung pelikula yon. Tapos, isang mahirap na, for the first time, nahihirapan ako mag-shoot. No, tapos yun nga, dami-daming tao, at maraming salamat sa Cine Panalo. Ang kwento ay tungkol nga sa dalawang bata na ang obsession nila yung larong sepak takraw. At hanggang ngayon ay nag-rewrite pa rin ako dahil nag-evolve yung kwento. Kasi nandun kami mismo doon sa lugar kung saan nandun yung mga tribong Isinay. Kung alam nyo lang, ang tribong Isinay ay nasa big tree ng mga tribo na halos nakakalimutan na rin, na nasa Nueva Vizcaya. Ang una dyan ay yung mga ilungot, no? Yung mga sinasabi natin headhunters, yung mga bugkalot, Gaddang, tas itong Isinay. So, yun nga po, isa ito sa dream project ko. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo. May gusto ba kayong sabihin?
Hello po ulit, ako po si Edna Osorio. Sobrang challenging talaga po na itong movie na to para sa akin. Kasi una sa lahat, di po ako marunong magsepak, pero tinitraining po ako para matutong magsepak takraw. At saka doon ko na-realize kung gaano kahirap at gaano ka gandaan ng laro. Pero wala siya dun sa competition na kunyari, basketball, di ba po nasa mataas yun, soccer, football, nasa mga matataas yun. Pero ang sepak takraw, nasa baba lang siya. Pero sobrang ganda ng laro. Kaya, sana pagkatapos ng palabas na to, ipalabas natin to sa lahat ng mundo. Kasi, it is our pride also na din po eh. Kaya, salamat po.
Hello po, ako naman po si Nicola George Castillo. Ako po si Ayong, kapatid po ako ni Kuya Nitoy po na sa ibang nanay po. Pinipilit ko po na maging best na kapatid po para po sa kanya kahit hindi ko po siya kapatid po na tunay. Pero gustong-gusto ko po siya makasama. Pero ang ganda po talaga ng sepak takraw kasi pag nakikita ko po yung mga sepak player tapos nag-ayit po ako sa kanila, sobrang tuwang-tuwa po ako dahil natanggap po ako dito.
Ako nga po si Rhea de Guzman. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat, lalong-lalo na po kay Direk Chris, Archie, lahat po. Marami pong salamat. Sana po matapos namin yung pelikula. God bless us.
Thank you, Direk Mes. But before we let you go, before you and your team go ahead, please join. We invite Direk, Chris, and Miss Ivy to join you on stage for a quick photo op. Thank you very much, Direk Mes and team. Let's give them another round of applause. Next, JP Habak for All Saints Day, joined by line producer Loro Ombre, director Christine Caraveda, and the stars of the film, Romdic Sarmenta and Sander Nuda. Direk JP, please tell us more about your film.
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ayun, so first of all, thank you so much po sa Pure Gold Cine Panalo sa pagpili ng aming pelikula. So ako po si JP Habak, ako po yung director at isa sa mga writer ng All Saints Day. Si Christine Balameda, co-writer ko po. Si Flor Hombre, ang aming line producer. And of course, Sir Romdic Sarmenta. Wala na daw pong sir. Tsaka si Sander Nuda. And si Khalil Ramos. Hindi po siya makakasama ngayon kasi kumakayod. Ayun. So, ang pelikula po namin ng All Saints Day, based po ito sa isang unang-unang short film na nasulat ko noong 2012. Nasulat ko siya nung namatay yung father ko. Noong 2020. So parang ginawa ko to as a reminder ng mga kwento namin magkama kahit hindi kami ganun ka-close. And also, parang gustong i-share ng pelikula to yung importance ng family, may it be biological or chosen, na importante na meron tayong pamilyang nakakasama everyday. Ayun, so, sir.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Cinepanalo sa pagkakataong binigay nila para maikwento ito. I played the role of Tony, sa akong siguro. Joke lang. Tatay po ako ni Khalil at ng batang ito na nanonood presa. Pag sinabi namin, ba't ka umiiyak? Kahit hindi siya umiiyak, bilang iiyak. Hindi ko alam kung nauuto namin siya o iiyakin na siya. Joke lang. It's so much fun doing this kind of film because it is personal also to those who wrote it and to the director. And ako personally, I related to it because one, I am a father. Two, I had a father. So, wala na rin. And para sa akin, the journey of the story, the journey of how the story was told, parang ang dami lang niyang nabuksang ideas and ang dami lang niyang na-touch na points dun sa personal na buhay ko din. So it was just a joy to do this film. And I hope na katulad ng lahat ng pelikula kasama ko sa Cinepanalo, lalo na yung mga student films, panoorin po natin lahat. Kasi kung sa perya, sinasakay natin lahat yung rides, dapat sa festival, sinusuportahan natin lahat ng participant.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord sa mga blessings po na binigay niyo po sa akin, kay Mama at Papa, kay Ma'am Tin, kay Sir Cinco, kay Direk Jimmy Haba, kay Direk Ian, sa buong production po na gumawa po ng All Saints Day, kay Maestro at sa STM family po. Yun lang po.
Maraming salamat po sa Pure Gold na supportan niyo po sa amin. At nagpapasalamat din kami sa director, sa cast po namin kasi wala pong pasaway, nakakasunod po kami sa DGL. At mabilis po namin nagagawa yung shoot namin and matatapos po namin yung pelikula. Thank you po.
Hello, panoorin po yung pelikula namin. Thank you.
Again, we would like to call on Directress and Miss Ivy to join them up on stage for a quick photo walk. JP and the team. Next, we have Christian Paulo Lat and Dominic Lat for Journeyman, joined by producer Laverne Hofer Lat and team actor JC Santos. Direk Christian, would you mind telling us more about your film? What is The Journeyman?
Okay, I just want to say, grateful to be here, knowing how much talent and skills in this room. I am really humbled to be here. So our film, Journeyman, is about, again, boxing. I was certain, that was my last film was in Cinemalaya, was a boxing film, and I was certain I don't want to do a boxing film because it's such a challenge to create such film, but I was confident that we were able to create this film because I had such a talented actor, JC, who gave his heart and soul and passion to create this movie, and of course Cinepanalo, CMB, everyone, T6, everyone that's a partner of this festival, and we're very excited to create this movie. Journeyman is we were inspired because me and my brother we trained a lot as a boxer. I still want to fight, and that's my hobby. But this hobby is turned to passion, and we trained a lot with Filipino athletes, gold medalists, professional fighters, and they were all dreamers at one point. but it all came down to money and having to take care of their family. So a journeyman in the world of sports is someone that intentionally throws the fight in order to get paid regularly. So I don't want to spoil too much of the plot, but I want to turn over this mic to our actor, JC.
Hi. I'm JC Santos, and I'm playing Jello in Journeyman. This is probably one of the most challenging roles I've ever done. This movie is about blood, sweat, and tears, literally and figuratively. I think the closest thing na inaral ko, aside, this is my first time doing boxing, I think I can only compare it to when I was 17 learning ballet. And that was when I was 17, I can recover fast. Now I'm 36, doing boxing, wala na yung recovery, tanda ko na. So nahirapan ako to, at isa sa pinaka-paborito ko, now I was doing boxing, shooting the film with boxers and a choreographer, and even lahat ng mga fight ko, lahat sila mga boksingero. Isa sa mga natutunan ko ng time na sinushoot namin to, na kapag sobrang pagod na yung katawan mo, sobrang pagod na yung legs mo, hindi ka na makagalaw, hindi ka na makaisip, ang magtatanggol sa'yo ay yung puso mo. At I think that's the Filipino pride, yung puso ng Pilipino, na kahit gano'n nakahirap, kahit gano'n nakasakit, kahit gano'n wala ka ng hilinga, meron kang laging pinaglalaanan. Ito para to sa asawa ko, para sa anak ko, para sa pamilya ko, para sa bayan ko, lagi tayong may gano'n. Yun yung totoong Filipino pride. At lalo na ngayon, siyempre, boxing, yun ito, isa pang Filipino pride. And that's the thing that I learned. It keeps reminding me na you have to be friends with pain, discomfort, and failure for you to win. And that's Journeyman.
Thank you, Journeyman. Thank you sa everyone who helped us make this film. You know, the journey wasn't easy, but we're there.
Oh yeah, I just want to say, that's my mom, that's my brother, we're a family, we made this movie, we made it happen, right? That's happening to believe in your vision.
I just want to say thank you to Directress, Pure Gold, and all the sponsors. And I would encourage you to watch all the films. I think they're really great. Thank you.
Thank you, Journeyman team. We'd like to invite again Directress and Miss Ivy for a quick photo opportunity with you guys. Thank you, Direct Christian and Dominic Lat and the team. Before we move forward, we'd just like to call for the attention of the owner of a Toyota with plate number TTI 269. Again, that's Toyota with the plate number TTI 269. There's a car that I think is blocked by your vehicle right now. So if you would like, if you would just call your attention, please. Next, we have Jill Simpson Urdaneta for Cola. Joined by producers Maylene Montico and R.S. Francisco, along with the cast Alexa Ilacad, Katie Estrada, Jameson Blake, and Kira Ballinger.
Shit, nakakabalong ulit. Ayun, First po, maraming salamat kay Lord. Siyempre, kunahin natin si Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa opportunity na to. And Pure Gold, maraming salamat. Chris, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And of course, thank you so much to our actors, Katie Estrada, Alexa Ilacat, Kira Ballinger, and Jameson Blake. And also, I would like to thank my executive producer, Miss Miley. Miss Miley, kita ka po dito. Kung mo kong iwan, sabi mo walang iwan na. But maraming salamat po. Ang Collab po ay when two popular content creators face conflicts in their respective romantic relationships, they decided to form an unlikely collaboration. So isang malaking collaboration lang po to. So naniniwala po ako na to win in life, hindi po natin kailangan makipag-compete because competition is out, collaboration is in. And again, maraming salamat po and ibibigay ko na po ang mikropono sa ating mga artists.
Hello po, good morning to everybody. My name is Katie Estrada and I just want to thank Direct Jill and of course yung Pure Gold Cinepanalo Film Festival at yung production namin White Space Studios. And yeah, yung character ko po dito si Jared isa po siyang sikat na vlogger and his girlfriend broke up with him. And hanggang dyan na lang po muna para hindi na po spoilers.
Ako po si Alexa Ilacat and I am the girlfriend that broke up with him. Sa kwento po. Pero good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Alexa Ilacat and I play the role of Peach, ang girlfriend po ni Jared. So, bale, I would also like to take this time and this opportunity to say thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa pelikula namin, ang Collab, sa lahat ng mga supporters po namin. Thank you for hyping us each and every day. And syempre maraming salamat din po sa Pure Gold and Pure Gold Cinepanalo Film Festival and also to our acting coach, Direk. Thank you so much po. And ayan, thank you for being here and I hope everyone has a great day.
Well, medyo nasabi nyo na, no? So, copy-paste, hindi, joke lang. But again, thank you so much, everyone. Lalo na to Cinepalalo. Thank you so much for having us. I'm just so happy to be here alongside with many amazing directors and student directors as well. It's so nice to see how inspired everybody is, and I'm sure everybody works so hard to make these films come to life. And ayun po, about my character, I play the character of Melody. Very artsy po siya, like me, eme. Pero ano, hindi nga eme, no? Our film is very relatable. It evolves around us vloggers and influencers. So I think that's what a lot of people are trying to be nowadays. So I think they would really enjoy our movie. And ayun lang, thank you so much for all the love and support.
Hello everyone, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much, Cinepanalo. Just want to say it's very refreshing to do this kind of project. It's my first time working with Direk, first time working with this production, and working with everyone. So I play as Clyde dito sa movie na to. One of the popular content creators that just wants to enjoy life. So yun lang. Thank you so much.
Right, now we would like to call on Direk Chris and Miss Ivy again for a photo op with a team of Collab. And we would like to call on the attention of the owner of a Toyota with plate number TTI-269 to please approach your vehicle to resolve the issue quickly. Again, that's a Toyota with the plate number TTI-269. For our next film, while Baby Ruth Villarama couldn't be here with us today due to a prior commitment, Here with us to represent her and discuss their film Food Delivery, fresh from West Philippine Sea, is our producer Chuck Gutierrez and associate producer Telly Malvar. And Sir Chuck, it's very exciting to know. I heard that this is the very first documentary film in Pure Gold Cinepanalo, right?
Of course it is. So are we excited about it?
Yes, and we're so thankful for Cinepanalo for believing in the project and for giving us the opportunity to be alongside the powerful narrative films. You know, we're the only documentary in this festival. So right now, Miss Baby Ruth, of course, she is currently in the sea. Dahil we're proud to say that with the support of AFP and PCG, we are the first media to be allowed to join their mission and operations. That's why she's there right now in the middle of West Philippine Sea. So Food Delivery captures the valiant efforts of the Filipino fishermen, the Philippine Coast Guards, and the Navy who deliver food to desperately needed communities, all while defending the livelihoods and the sovereignty of the contested West Philippine Sea. Each mission and each catch becomes a powerful testament in unity, sovereignty, and pride. Kaya we hope that this film becomes a hope not just to the Filipino fishermen, but also to all the Filipinos para ipaglaban yung nararapat para sa atin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Sir Chuck and Miss Terry. Again, we'd like to invite Directress Kahilig and Miss Ivy to join you on stage for a quick photo.